धन्यवाद सर, थैंक यू वेरी
कोई
मच.
रेकॉर्ड में नहीं जाएगा.
Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity, and I'm also thankful to my leaders and my leadership for having given me this opportunity to speak on a very important subject, sir. And it's not only important for us; it's important for the society because we are talking about something which is a menace for the society. It is not exclusively for BJP or for the ruling party or the opposition parties. I'm sure they must understand that this is an important issue. We are discussing about COVID-19, we are discussing about Omicron. This is a new variant and we must appreciate that government is sensitive about it. That's why we are discussing about issue. Are we discussing about us? Oh, no, we are not discussing about us. We are discussing about the society. We are discussing about our nation. This is something which is going to impact every citizen of this country. That's why government is sensitive. Government has raised this issue so that you can participate. You can protect your own people where you represent. Those representatives must protect your people, but you are not sincere and not sensitive. Sir, I will take this opportunity to highlight few issues, sir. I can only request the opposition parties, Sushmita ji, it is going to impact all of us, not only you, not only me, the society. We are discussing. We are discussing about the society. We are discussing about the society.
Mr. Japan,
You should answer, sir.
No. There can be verbal duel. There cannot be verbal duel. You address the chair. You address the chair, not the member. You address the chair.
Okay, sir.
Please. Please go to your seat.
All I would want to say, sir. All I would want to say, sir. I would want to say, sir, that India is under the leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister has been able to successfully tackle COVID-19. We have seen phase 2, we have seen phase 1, and we have been successfully been able to tackle it because we had a leadership of Honorable Prime Minister. They are feeling secure today. That's why they are not concerned because they are feeling secure. They have been vaccinated. I think they must understand that what is important for the society. This is important. Is it not important for the society? This is an important issue. We must discuss this because it is going to impact every citizen of this country. And who should be more responsible? This opposition should be more responsible. They are the one who should ask us to discuss about this issue. But they are not showing any sincerity. They are not showing anything which suggests that the opposition really is concerned about the society, but they are more concerned about the politics. They are more concerned about issues which are not relevant, but they want to discuss those issues. But issues which are relevant for the country, for the society, for the people of this great country, they are not important. Today I would want to say, I would want to ask, sir, with your permission, I would ask opposition bench, can't they behave responsibly? Can't they allow? I am not a very senior member of the Rajya Sabha. I have been here only for less than a year. I have given this opportunity to speak. I have not been able to. My maiden speech has not taken place. Today I have the opportunity. Could be a maiden speech for me because I have not had the opportunity to have a maiden speech. If I can request opposition bench to at least show some sincerity about issues which is important, which is worth discussing for every citizenship of this country.
I will allow you to speak.
Politics, they are more interested
I will allow you.
They are more interested about their power, they are more interested about propagation of something which is
I will allow you. Go to.
Sir, I want to, since we have the Honorable Health Minister, I would like to ask something which could be worthy of knowing other people as well, even though they are not opposition based. Sir, मुझे लगता है सर कि ओमिक्रॉन जो है ग्लोबली ओमिक्रॉन का इम्पैक्ट फेज 1 फेज 2 के बाद ओमिक्रॉन का इम्पैक्ट इट्स अ न्यू वेरिएंट सर which has started from South Africa, traveled to many other countries, more than 60 countries. We also want to know how did it come to India? Of course, we know that the origin is South Africa. It may not be that इसका असर बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है लोगों में, लेकिन बहुत ज़्यादा असर नहीं, लेकिन फिर भी लोग इम्पैक्ट हो रहे हैं। ग्लोबली देखिए सर, 20% ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है इसका इम्पैक्ट जो है, 20% ज़्यादा लोग संक्रमित हो चुके हैं इससे। और ख़ास के अगर आप देखिए यूके में तो 44% जो नए केसेस आ रहे हैं सर, 44% नए केसेस जो आ रहे हैं वो ओमिक्रॉन से है। मतलब वहाँ कोविड में जो न्यू वेरिएंट आया है सर, उसको 44% जो 5000 जो आज लोग वहाँ पर संक्रमित है कोविड से, उसमें से 44% जो है ओमिक्रॉन के हैं। इससे खतरा बढ़ता है, देश को खतरा बढ़ता है। इसलिए देश की सरकार ने इस इशू को उठाया है यहाँ पर कि चर्चा की जाए। अगर इंग्लैंड में होता है 44% लोग संक्रमित होते हैं जो टोटल कोविड के 44%, इंडिया में भी हो सकते हैं। हमने फेज 2 देखा है, फेज 2 में किस तरह से इम्पैक्ट हुआ था। आई थिंक इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट टू डिस्कस दिस इशू सर। When you have the health minister sitting here, we can raise issues, and honorable health minister can respond to those issues, which will be very useful for everyone, every leader, not only for us, not only for opposition parties, but every leader, because they can go back to their own constituency, but they can preach what they have learned in this house from the honorable health minister. They can preach and convey to their people in their own constituency, but they are not interested. What is their they have interest in power, politics, but not in people. Our government is more interested about people, not in any other thing. But primary objective of ours is a common man on the street should feel safe and secure. And that can happen only if there is a sensitive government, and this government is sensitive. That's why we are raising this issue. We invited opposition parties as well to be sincere, be responsible, discuss issues which is going to impact the society, but they are not interested. Sir, what is important? I will raise few important questions, sir.
Let's conclude now.
Sir, it is sort of a middle speech, sir. It is an important issue, sir. Allow me to speak, sir. Sir, I want to understand. First of all, there are people who have taken single vaccine. There are people who have taken second dose of vaccine. I want to highlight and also want to understand from the honorable health minister, sir, whether we need this vaccine is working for Omicron patient as well, or whether we need to take another, or we will have some other solution for Omicron. Secondly, हमने सुना ऐसा सर कि जिसने फर्स्ट डोज ले लिया 80% आबादी अगर फर्स्ट डोज भी लेती तो 80% आबादी सिक्योर होती है। सिर्फ 20% आबादी जो है उसके कहीं ना कहीं डर रहता है, खदशा रहता है, बिकॉज उनके कुछ और प्रॉब्लम उनके होता है। इसलिए वरना 100% जो है हमारे जो वैक्सीन बनी है वो सेफ एंड सिक्योर है, लेकिन फिर भी सेकंड डोज देते हैं कि कोई ना कोई छूट ना जाए, इसलिए बाकी 20% के लिए 80% को भी देना पड़ता है।
सर प्लीज गो टू योर सीट। आप अपने सीट पर जाइए, हम आपको सुनेंगे, मौका देंगे आपको।
I am discussing on important issues, sir. We are not discussing an important issue. Opposition is not interested in people. Opposition is only interested in politics, power. That is something much better for them. For us, what place to our state is people. That's why we are more concerned about people. That's why we are raising issues which is more concerning about people, sir. And they are disturbing it. They are not behaving like a responsible opposition party, sir. They need to, on sensitive issues like it, important issues like this, they must behave like responsible opposition parties and behave that they also represent constituency, they also represent people, they are also people's representative, and they must come back and they must go back and say and convey to the people what they will get to know from the honorable health minister. What is the status of Omicron, how it is spreading in the country, how it will impact the society, what kind of initiative government has taken, how we will tackle with the situation. We all know, sir, we have a prime minister who has been acknowledged by the global community that he has the ability to tackle a menace like COVID-19, first phase, second phase, and now Omicron. Still we want to understand from the honorable health minister, because whatever he will tell, that will be very useful for the society, for everyone, even the opposition parties. But see their behavior, sir, see their behavior. What are they doing? They are not showing any intent to understand from the honorable health minister what is this menace is, how it is going to spread, How it is whether it will also impact our little children, whether because they have not been vaccinated, sir, and if they have not been vaccinated, whether this is going to impact. These are so important issues. I am really surprised at this house, sir, that why opposition are not interested in important subject which is going to concern the society as a whole. Yes, they are not concerned.
Please conclude.
Sir, there are some more issues I want to
Mr.
raise.
Safa, your time is up. Please conclude.
This is sort of a maiden speech, sir. Allow me to speak some more, sir. Sir, I want to understand from the Honorable Health Minister, sir, because I'm raising issues which I think everyone should understand that it is a relevant issue. I want to understand from the Honorable Health Minister, sir, whether this community is, there is a possibility of community spread. क्या ये community spread हो सकता है, sir? क्या इसकी खतरा है ये, sir? क्या ये खतरा को टालने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए, सर? ये सारी चीजें जो है कौन बता सकता है? ऑनरेबल हेल्थ मिनिस्टर बता रहे हैं और ऑनरेबल हेल्थ मिनिस्टर यहाँ पर मौजूद है, लेकिन ऑपोजिशन उसका फायदा नहीं उठाने के बजाय वो ऑपोजिशन ज्यादा इंटरेस्टेड है पॉलिटिक्स करने में। उनको पब्लिक में, लोगों में कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, लोगों में कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है। उनको सिर्फ इंटरेस्ट है पावर में, पॉलिटिक्स में। उनको जनता की चिंता नहीं, उनको जनता की चिंता नहीं। सर, मुझे मालूम करना है ऑनरेबल हेल्थ मिनिस्टर से, सर, मुझे ये जानकारी लेनी है कि क्या वो बच्चे जो आज हमारे बच्चों को 18 साल से कम बच्चों को वैक्सीनेशन नहीं हुआ है, सर, उनको वैक्सीनेट किया जाना है, अभी तक वो वैक्सीनेट नहीं किए। क्या बच्चे हमारे इस ओमिक्रॉन में सेफ हैं? क्या उनको किसी और तरीके से प्रोटेक्शन चाहिए? क्या संभावनाएं हैं उसकी? क्या संभावनाएं हैं उसकी?
अपनी सीट पर जाइए और बोलिए,
उसको किस तरह से
आपको मौका दीजिए,
खत्म किया जाए।
तो ठीक है, जाइए, कल बोल लगा।
बड़ी भारी चिंता है सोसाइटी के लिए, सर। ये चिंता है। हमारी सिंसियर सरकार है, हमारी सरकार बाहर अच्छे इनिशिएटिव ले रही है, सर, हमारी सरकार, लेकिन उसकी जानकारी लेने के लिए अपोजिशन बेंच को जरा से भी चिंता नहीं। ये हाउस में ही तो जानकारी ली जा सकती है, सर, इस हाउस में ही तो जानकारी नहीं।